Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chef B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to stay subscribed down below. For today's video, we will be working with a wig from RPGSHOW, and this is a wig that they sent me. It is pre-plucked, a yaki straight hair. No, the knots already bleached for you. It's pre-plucked, as I said before. Like, look how transparent that is. Like, this is the Swiss laces. Like, this is supposed to be the ultimate lace. Everything is already done for you. So if you're a beginner wig wearer, like, this wig is like super bomb. It comes with the elastic band on the inside to hold your wig snug, so you could wear this as a glueless wig. But for that extra security on those windy days, you can go ahead and tack down your wig. So I'm just trying to line up the lace with my hairline. So with the wig, you want to come a little bit further from your natural hairline, because sis, you want to save them edges. Sis, you don't want to mess with your edges. Save the edges. So I'm going to do a center part. So I'm just making sure that my parting is straight, and for the details for the wig, it will be in my description box below. So I'm going to take this flyaway tamer to help with the flyaways from that new parting that I did. And I'm just showing you guys, like, just a little parting. You could do a side part, you could do whatever parting you want, because this, I didn't have to I didn't have to color the lace because I already got it in the lace color closest to my complexion. So I got this in, I believe, what did I get it in? I think it was a dark lace. I'll put the details in the description box so you can see it down below. So I'm a little bit anal when it comes to the frontal, so I just wanted to look a tad bit more natural when I melt the lace. So I'm just going to do a very light plucking, like nothing extra, just a little bit extra with the plucking, just a little tad bit more of the hairs in the front. That's it. I'm not going to do any baby hairs or nothing like that. I might do a little swoop to the doop action, but nothing heavy. Like, I wanted this wig to be like quick and super easy to lay down. So I'm just going to do my usual technique. I'm using the Got2b freezing spray. This is basically the only thing that I use to tack down my wig. If you have another method that works perfectly for you to melt your lace, you could go on ahead and do that method. But I love using my Got2b because it's super easy to remove, but at the same time, when it stays, it stays. So I'm gonna use this what's this called, molding wrap, and I leave this on for a couple of minutes and then I remove it. So after I remove it, so I didn't even use a blow dryer for this method, because once I use a molding wrap on there for like a couple of minutes, the lace is like melted, it's dried and all of that. So I'm just gonna lift the lace a little bit to remove the excess lace from my wig. And you will have some parts of the wig, if it's still a little bit wet, it's gonna lift some when you lift the lace to cut it. But you could just spray some more of the Got2b freezing spray on there and then tie it back down with the molding wrap. So wherever I feel that's lifted when I cut the excess lace, I spray some more Got2b and then I tie it back down with a molding wrap. So now, as I said, this is a yaki texture hair, so it's very kinky like, which I really love because it makes the wig more full. Even if you get it in a less density, the yaki texture will make the wig like feel super, well, not super, but it will allow the wig to feel full. So I'm just going to take my flat iron and just try to straighten out some of the hair that's a little bit bended in packaging. And yeah, it was really easy to flat iron, like super simple, super fast. Even though it's a yaki thicker texture, it flat irons wonderful. So that's basically it. You can curl this hair if you want to. I wanted to do like just a straight look, and it's kind of like a blunt cut on the ends actually, so it's not like that stringy look which is with the silkier texture hair. It has almost like a blunt cut on the ends, which I don't mind. I actually like it. So this is my final look. Like, look at that fullness, this stiff wear. stiff nowhere, even though it's yucky and it's full. And yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you're subscribed down below. All the details for this wig will be in my description box down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Damn That's Chev. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.